Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick mani. I'm going to do just these 4 fingers. I'm still working on a patch on this funky little thumb that I've got a big crack in. So I've got my nails prepped with Nailtiques Formula 2, and I wanted to show y'all some of the options you can get with using this MJ lacquer, and this is Whatever Is Right. I did the swatch video for this, and I wanted to show it over some other polishes. So we're going to be using Simple Colors, and this is Under the Influence. Beautiful baby blue. We've got KB Shimmer, and this is Breaking Blues. It's kind of more purple in real life than how it's shown on the camera. We've got the Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and this is in... Oh goodness, did I cover up the name? Oh no, there it is. Here we go. Leapin' Lilac. Beautiful. And then this OPI, and this is Viking in a Vinta Wonderland. So I'm going to get busy swatching these. I'm going to get the lids popped off so we can get to rocking on this mani. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to get started with the Simple Colors, and this one was the, Under the Influence. See, I should have written these down so I didn't have to try to flip the bottles upside right. That's beautiful. I'm trying to work my way through all those gorgeous polishes that my friend Miss Tammy sent me. I want to at least use them. What a mess I'm making. Y'all, please, blame the person, not the polish. I am making a huge mess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I mean, went crazy with that polish. Okay, we'll just have to get the rest of it on regular cleanup. And then this is Breaking Blues by KB Shimmer. We're going to do a coat of that and get some of this extra polish off here, so maybe I won't keep making such a bad mess. That one's very opaque. Depending on your nail length and your coat, you might be able to get away with one coat on that one. Oh, pretty. Loving it. And this is the Insta Dry from Sally Hansen, Leaping Lilac. Going right here. And that could be a one-coater. We're going to do 2 today, though, on everything, like we always do. And Viking in a Vinta Wonderland. Get some of that polish off that brush, because this nail's not very big. It's so juicy. Very shiny, very pretty. Alright, I'm going to let these dry, and then I'm going to come back and do a second coat. Alrighty, here we go with our second coats, and the Simple Colors one is a pastel neon matte, so it is definitely going to, you know, look chalky on the nail at first, but I'm going to top coat it with a glossy top coat, so that should not be a problem really. And matte polishes are a little finicky to work with sometimes, so they don't like being brushed over too many times, and y'all know I'm the overwork it queen, so I definitely got to be careful with those. And then next is the KB Shimmer. That is so pretty. Love, love that. I am a big KB Shimmer fan. I don't just own a ton of them, but I've got a little bit of a collection going because they do make really good polishes. Next we've got the Sally Hansen. I just can't wait to see this topper over all of these beauties. It's going to be so cool to see how that looks over all of them. I know I said something in the video about, you know, this would look good over this and this, you know, it'd be interesting to see, so I didn't want to waste any time. I wanted to get in on that and do it before I forgot. I have a tendency sometimes to forget things like that. Alrighty, There we go with our base coats. I'm going to close all those bottles up so I don't run the risk of knocking them over, and we'll come back and top these. Alrighty, my friends, here we go. It's magic time. Let's see what this layering looks like. Very pretty. Oh, you can really see the shimmers in that, or at least I hope you can. Can you see the shimmers? Oh, pretty. And then now over the KB shimmer. Oh yeah, very nice, very pretty. It just changes them. I love having polishes like this that can, you know, jazz up a mani. And then, oh wow, that's really cool. Oh yeah, I like that. I really like that a lot. Let me find Woody. Hi Woody, come here. There we go. Oh, that's so lovely. I do really love it. And then now over this dark purple, Viking and Eventa Vendeland. You gotta say it funny, I don't know why, but okay, I have to say it funny. Oh, stunning. Oh my. Okay, out of all the combos, I think this might be my favorite. Oh, how stunning. Ooh wee. Alrighty, so there they all are. I'm going to get some top coat out here. We're going to top coat these so we can put some nail art on them. Alrighty, here we go with the top coat. I've already done the other nails. I'm just going to do this one real quick. And don't you just love how different all of these look? I mean, they're so different. Same topper, same gorgeous, shiny. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to let these dry and we're going to do a little bit of nail art. Alrighty, I am back and ready for some nail art today. Today I'm going to be using this Uber Chic plate, and it's 1-02, and I'm just going to pull different images off of all over it. I'll also be using the Braves Diva white and black, which is shut out and on the black. And I'll be using a AliExpress stamper and a Beauty Big Bang scraper. Alrighty, so it's a little dark, but my ring light seems to blare off of these, so I thought today I would just do it a little differently. We're going to use on the black for this image, and I just wanted to play today. Oh, that didn't pick up very well. I think my stamper might have been dirty. Let me get that cleaned off on a lint roller really well. And we will try that again. Because Uber Chic plates are really good plates. I normally don't have trouble out of them. There we go. Scrape. And pick up. Okay, well maybe I'm just seeing it different. Oh, I think it picked up just fine and I'm just being goofy. So I'm going to center that there. Very pretty. Very nice. And I'm going to keep cleaning this stamper off on a lint roller. And the next one I'm going to do in white. Slide this down. Oh, I think I like this image. Let's try this one. This flower. Ta-da! And I've got paint in my mat, on my Brio mat. Oh, how cool. Yep, I like that. And for the next one, let's flip this plate around. I'm going to use these like roses over here. And this is definitely a mix and match mani. This is, you know, to me the most fun ones to play with because you're getting a lot of different ideas. That didn't pick up very good either. Let me change stampers. See, sometimes you've got to try different scrapers, different stampers, different polishes. You know, oh, sorry, I'm bumping you around. So, you know, that stamper just might not be playing nice today. So here we go. We're going to do this again and use a different stamper. I've changed to my monocle stamper, and that picked up beautiful. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright, clean that stamper again. And I already had an image picked out for my pinky. I'm going to use this tiny little rose right there. Thought that would be good for the pinky. And get this excess up. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm going to pop in and do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. I did remember my Burt's Bees around my cuticles, so this is coming up beautifully. I shouldn't have a need for using any acetone today. So there we go, looking pretty good. There we go. I'm going to top it with the Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat. And then once that is completely dry, I'll put on my final top coat. And I get people asking me all the time, you know, why do I use so many top coats? And for me, they all have different purposes. This one seals everything in without smearing it. I've heard of other people that it does smear on, but I haven't had that problem. And then, but it's not a good, like, durable top coat for me. So I like to use my regular fast drying top coat over the top of this. This just keeps it from smearing, and maybe that makes sense. And I use my Pro FX in between because it dries really fast and it's a thinner top coat. So I like using that one so that I can get to the stamping part of my mani. And then, you know, I like to use Poshe or Moonshine Mani or something, another thicker, glossy top coat that's quick drying. So I'm going to let these dry and I'm going to get in with the Poshe. Alrighty, so here we go with our final top coat. The Poshe is going on top. There we go. And I'm telling you, I don't know which one I like better. I love all of them. These would all make a great manicure, like if you did all of one nail design instead of the mix and match like I did today. Or you could do them as accent nails, you know, whatever you decide. So let me get the camera turned around so I can show you these a little better. Alrighty, I hope you can see all the shimmer and goodness and everything in these. I really loved how this turned out. I really enjoyed the playing with different images and colors and this topper. So this is still available, whatever is right. It will be listed under the prototype listings on MJ Lacquer's website. I will try to remember to leave a link down below. But this is what I came up with today using this beautiful, beautiful polish. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.